So here we are. We're at harvest day, or at least half of it anyway. We ran out of room. Not only have we're extremely excited. We got to throw away 6 plants and only grow 2 now because of the space that we needed for flowering. 2 in veg and 2 in bloom to keep it our limit for Nevada. We're extremely excited. The Grow Boss's tactics and techniques have completely changed our grow. And we're only halfway through this, so not only we have 3 boxes of sweet leaf we're going to grind out for Keef, but we got 3 good boxes of nugs. They're all decent sized nugs too. We got to clean them up again when they dry though. This is just the first pre-trim. We have to go to see the Grow Boss too and pick up some more drying equipment. We completely have run out of drying room now too since we've picked up the Grow Book. So this is just a part harvest. There's just 3 little girls that are on the right side in that scrog. The 2 that are in there now are on either side of the Gavita, and they're still filling the room. We really couldn't get more plants under there that would grow right. We're looking forward to our next grow with the Grow Boss. Some of the techniques and tactics we've learned to look ahead should really be impressive this time. Alright, and I've been growing for a long time, so I can't tell them how much I appreciate it. Alright guys, we'll see you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And keep up with us. Peace.